पिला माने आमे किछि प्रॉब्लम आज डिस्कशन करिवा एरिया मरो तो किछि मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन रो डिस्कशन करिवा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आसुची फाइंड एरिया enclosed by x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0 look at फर्स्ट हमें ए कर्व पे केमती आसीबो देखिबा देखो हियर x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट आर 1 1 सेम x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट सेम थिले x y टर्म नथिले दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल जदि एटा सर्कल इक्वेशन ताल सर्कल रो सेंटर कोठी हबो रेडियस केते हबो देखिबो पड़िबो ताले मु कोन करबी x स्क्वायर minus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal to 1 both side में 1 ऐड करते implies x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 look at center would see 0 1 0 our radius 1 x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square so center of hk h 81 और k 0 y minus 0 whole square r 81 আসছে so center at 1 0 and radius 1 the circle will be like this x axis ऊपर हबो सेंटर टा अच्छा पिला माने ए पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट केते 0 0 this part coordinate is 2 0 because 1 1 radius ताले total area of the circle is twice the area of upper part area रो डबल आसले total circle area आसीबो area of circle is equals to 2 into this is OABC is equal to 2 into area of semicircle OABO. So this is the area of semicircle. So this is equals to 2 into integration of y dx. Kind y dx habo because it involves the x axis. Curve ଆଉ x axis ଭିତରେ एरिया हितबारु हमें y dx लिखिबा and x varies from 0 to 2 x coordinate 0 x coordinate 2 so integration varies from 0 to 2 what is the value of y रो value एठी खोजो y रो value केते देखलो y square is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole square ताल y केते हबो root over of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square ताल लिखली that is equal to 2 into integration from 0 to 2 root over of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square into dx root over of a square minus x square integration formula कौन x by 2 into root over of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a so this is equal to 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into root over of 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus a square by 2 a square is 1 a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a x minus 1 by 1 this is from 0 to 2 so 2 into first we put x is equal to 2 x रो value 2 put kale 2 minus 1 kete 1 1 minus 1 0 so first term is abolish 0 plus half into sin inverse 2 minus 1 1 1 by 1 sin inverse 1 minus put x is equal to 0 x रो value 0 put kale 80 ए पोकेटे minus 1 whole square 1 1 minus 1 0 first term is out 0 हो गला plus half into sin inverse 0 minus 1 by 1 केते हेबो minus 1 right so this is equals to half 2 into half sin inverse 1 ला pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus pi by 2 so finally it is 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by 4 so that kete ho pi by 2 and this is equals to pi this square unit right next come to another question on this most important question on this find the area enclosed by come to second question find the area enclosed by x square plus second question x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x plus root 3y that is equal to 2 enclosed area to be determined by this right look at eta x square plus y square is equal to 4 it is a circle whose center at origin radius 2 center at origin radius 2 so the circle is like this and now center at origin, this is x axis and this is y axis. Next, find the draw the line of the figure of this line. Y equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. This point is 2 0. It is minus 2 0, 0 2, and it is 0 minus 2. Now, if you put y equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So this point, when x is equal to 0, y will be 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Root 3 is 1.7. 1.7 to 2 by 1.7 means 20 by 17. Just 1 point something ଆସିବ. So this may be a point. So ये दीटा point को join करके draw कर दबा. And this area is to be determined. The smaller portion enclosed by this is this part. So this part is to be determined, right? So we now how to find the area of this portion. A, B, C, D, A area हमको बाहर करिବାର ଅଛି. Now to determine the coordinate of C, C ର coordinate हमको बाहर करिବାର ଅଛି. Now we determine the coordinate of C. How to find the coordinate of C? Solve these two equations. अच्छा देखो x square plus y square is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 minus x by root 3. 2 minus x by root 3. यही वैल्यू को एटी पके दबा. ताले x square plus 2 minus x by root 3 whole square is equals to 4. Implies 3x square plus 2 minus x whole square is equals to 12. Root 3 square is 3. 3 will be in the right side multiply, cross multiplication. That is 3x square plus 4 plus x square minus 4x is equal to 12. Then 4x square minus 4x is equals to 8. Means x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. So what is x? X is equal to 2 or x is equals to minus 1. If x is equal to 2, then what is y? X value 2 put kare, y value kete hai 0. 2 minus 2 0. So y is equal to 0 or x value minus 1 put kare, it will be 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 is what? Root 3. So one point is 2 0, the other point is minus 1 root 3. This point is 2 0 already determined. So this point is minus 1 root 3. Now x varies from minus 1 to 2. Upper part end point of the curve, so it is minus 1 to 2. So what is the area? Look at, हमें कौन करेगा? it would perpendicular draw करेगा. This area minus this area is the required area. ए एरिया रू ए एरिया टाको आउट कर देले ए पार्ट रो एरिया मिल जिवो. तो एरिया ऑफ now area of A B C D A is equals to integration of y1 minus y2 into dx, and it is from minus 1 to 2. X coordinate is minus 1, x coordinate is 2, so it is minus 1 to 2 y dx. How it is y1 dx? 80 ए कर्व में y1 नहीं जीवा, y this रो एरिया a2 minus y2 dx कर दबा, because it x axis involved है माने y dx की formula. This is integration from minus 1 to 2 root over of 4 minus x square, upper part of the curve is circle equation a2 only, minus y2 रो value a2 बाहर करबी केते 2 minus x by root 3 into dx, right? So integration from minus 1 to 2 root over of 4 minus x square into dx minus 1 by root 3 into integration from minus 1 to 2 2 minus x into dx. Root over of a square minus x square integration x by 2 root over of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. So this is x by 2 root over of 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sin inverse x by 2, and it is from minus 1 to 2, and it is minus 1 by root 3 into 2 dx integration is 2x minus x dx is x square by 2, and it is from minus 1 to 2. Finally